Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. I'm your host Orion, and sorry for the weird quality. Um, my camera is dead right now, and I'm filming on my phone. So, what I'm going to be doing today, well, I should say, Happy New Year and hope you had a great holiday. What I'm going to be doing today is showing you how to play really easy song. It's by one of my favorite artists right now, Jade. I've been obsessed, really obsessed with her music. Really great artist of the new generation, which is the 2020s and the late 2010s. So, yeah, here we go. Hope you enjoy, and I hope this is really easy. This is just the melody. Um, I don't know the whole song. I there's a few recordings that are really different than uh, what I'm going to be doing today. So it's just the chorus melody of this song. It's called Anniversary by Jade. So please enjoy and hope you follow these instructions clearly because it's not that hard. It's really not that hard. Alright, let's get this out of the way. Songs in standard tuning. And this is capoed to the 4th fret. Jade loves to capo songs. So if you don't have a capo, you can't play this song. This is written on a acoustic guitar. So it won't sound entirely the same as the live recording because I'm on a electric guitar because that's all I got, you know. That sounds good. I have an acoustic, but you know, I just this is louder and it's more fun. So out of that, now that's I can't speak. I haven't made a video in a while. Now that that's out of the way, let's just get into this tutorial. Alright, there's two variations of this song. There's power chords and the regular way. So the regular way is just adding A chord like this, B chord like this, and then an E in the midsection. That's about it. It's really just 1, 2, 3, 4 chords. But that chord's at the end, the E. That's at like the mid section of the song. So we're going to do the regular way, the regular live recording. This is an unreleased song, so if you want to learn it for yourself, that's what this video is for. Yeah, this is Anniversary by Jade. Anyway, the first thing you want to do is play 2 down strums for this chord. And then you go down here, do the same thing. And then you implement the power chord motion. The C power chord. So, you know, if you bar it, it doesn't sound right. You add another note, which is the pinky. So you do that C minor power chord, right? Like this. It looks like this. I'm not flicking you off. Alright. This kind of power chord. And you do 2 down strums as well. Right? And you go back to the B. Do 2 down strums. And then you go to A. Do the same thing. And then end it on B. So sound like this. So you can sing over this the first few lyrics of the song. It's baby, thanks for leaving me, happy anniversary. It basically it's the melody of that lyric. when they're singing, right? And you can do open notes as well if you wanted to. It still sounds the same. So it sounds like that. Now I'm going to show you the mid section of the song. It sounds about the same. You start with the E chord, or E power chord if you wanted to. I'm doing the regular E chord because that's how I learned it. Two down strums as well. And then you go to the power chord. Two down strums. A. Back to the C minor. And then the B. And then the A. And then the C minor again. And I think you end on the B. On the D, two down strums as well. So it should sound like this. That's supposed what it's. I don't know if that's exactly what you're supposed to be playing. I still don't know how to play this full song, but it sounds cool. So if you want to play that part of the song, there you go. That's how I play it, at least. It doesn't sound right with the whole song, but you can still play it. It's very musicably. It's musicable. Musicable. Is that even a word? I don't know. It means it can be music. So that is the mid section. Next, I'm just going to show you how to play the full song with the power chords, which is the melody, at least. The melody. It's not that long. So you start with the C minor power chord on the A, and then you bar with two of your fingers right here. And you stroke that twice. And then you move down to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8th fret power chord. Twice. And then you go up again on the E, low E. So it should sound like this. So it sounds like that. That's the easier way to play this melody. You can also do this. I figured this out earlier today. You can do this kind of motion. It's just one finger power chords. Just noticed it. If you're lazy, that kind of rhythm as well, that down strum rhythm. But yeah, that's the easiest part of the song is the power chords. I hope you learned something today. It's really cool. You could do this pentatonic thing too. I don't know. That's something, you know? It's something you could learn yourself. You can add on to it, make it your own, you know, cover it if you wanted to. Anyway, this was Jade Bird's anniversary song. I hope they release it soon or in their next album. It doesn't matter. Please release it, Jade. This song is awesome. I love it. Anyway, thank you for subscribing, liking, commenting over the few years. I am almost to my 5th anniversary on YouTube, coming up on February 7th. I might do something special. So be looking out for that, and thank you for watching. You guys are awesome. I hope to come out with better videos than a guitar lesson, but I love this song, and I wanted to show you how to play this melody riff thing. Anyway, thank you for watching, and don't forget to stay super chill. You guys are amazing.